Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So such a manual we have. So do browsers automatically delete cookies from websites when you put it in options to clean at the exit or manually cleaning? For example, there is a website. I am forcing it to manually clean the cookies. So I click here. I click cookies. Then I select one of them and click several times on delete button. Then I click on completed. After it is completed, I need to close the web page of the current website. I am closing it. So now we go to settings or options of the browser. This example is on Edge browser, Microsoft browser, but you need the same situation will be in every browser based on Google Chrome and so on. So we go to these options for cookies file and allowance of websites. So we click the first point. So and we click here. We have our cookies, and we select this fourth point. View all file of cookies and data of website. So we click on it. Now I insert, as cookies of this website were deleted, I insert this website to see if cookies are there or they were really deleted. It's enough to write 2-3 words. So you see, this website, the same website, it still has 8 cookies. So we click here and you see too many cookies again. So I click manually to delete them. I also can click here, but it will delete from other websites. If you don't need, you can do this, but manually. So now they are deleted. Now I remove this and I click again. So no cookies. Now cookies are completely deleted. So such a manual how to completely delete cookies from websites. Glorify the God.